Hey, what's going on, everybody? So, update on the Venom X22 GT aftermarket carbon exhaust. Just wanted to show you guys, due to the combustion, I assume the heat that happens in here, the carbon fiber is starting to strip off of the exhaust itself. So, I called Venom. They said this is per normal for, these type of exhausts. So I have a solution. If anyone, I don't know, some people like they want to leave it. I like it, looks badass. Me, I don't like it. I think it looks ugly. So what happened is I ended up putting this flame proof paint on the belt drive. So this works very well at high temperatures. It's the VHT brand, and what I do beforehand is I put this engine duplex. This is also the gloss. You can use that for the black if you don't want to just go with the matte, or you can use the gray primer. The gray primer I would put on beforehand and then put the other. So you can either do the matte black, or you can do the gloss engine, which is high heat, and I use it on other stuff, and it doesn't chip, it doesn't bubble. So there's there's just an alternative. And even if you notice, like, the end of the exhaust has this sort of like burnt brown thing, and with the silencer and the baffler out, it is what it is. But anyway, that's about it, guys. I'll show you the results when I'm done. All right, take care.